Our school was initially designed to meet the needs of English language learners and recent immigrants to the United States. And we know that our students don't come to us as empty vessels. Just because they don't speak the language doesn't mean that they don't know information. And our dual language model is a way in which we can tap into that knowledge that students are bringing with them from their home countries and allow them to thrive.
Se siente muy bien tener amigos de diferentes partes del mundo.
Tengo otras 3 hijas grandes que han ido a escuela pública y noto mucho la diferencia tanto como en lo académico y en lo cultural.
Como madre me siento apoyada porque es una escuela que nos entiende.
My favorite part of the American Dream School was that I have been able to learn English only in a year.